Most people, when they come hiking here in Palos Verdes, they go over there to the park, the Cerro Park. There's a park up there, there's a Rattlesnake Trail and the big main trail there. Everybody parks up there. They even had to change the parking there because of it. Instead, if you're smart, you come over here. There's an alternate route. Just as nice views and so many less people. I call it Palos Verdes Ridge, because I don't actually know what the name of this trail is. If it actually, I know the names down there, those trails, but up here it's just the ridge. And you can take a trail down if you want. It's a little hazy today, so you don't see the Catalina that well. It's a secret hiking spot.